Good morning, or soon is good before noon. For 1 hour I have been trying to get a grab or some kind of vehicle. We will go to Sungai Pandan, the nice waterfall. The last time we tried to go there, it was closed, and today I think it's open, but so big problems but getting there. But now about 9 minutes we will get a car from some Maxime app. Someone here told us to get us chips about Maxime, so we try that one and see if we can get there. Can assure you that husband Dan, he's not about the waiting guy, so. But now the vehicle is coming. Finally, we're here.
Yeah, a few days later we're back.
A few hours later as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So Sungai Pandan Waterfall.
Yeah.
Yeah. And we're standing on a beautiful bridge and going into the waterfalls.
Oh. So a Maxime car. We took Maxime car here. 38 ringgits and 40 minutes. And 1 hour waiting before, but we go down here over to the waterfall.
Yeah, no grabs here.
No. Now we know.
We go up to the sign, I think.
Up there, yeah. But we're finally here at this waterfall and this hiking area. Terjun Sungai Pandan. If I'm pronounced it correctly, I don't know. But that was a beautiful brick wall.
Nice sign.
Yeah. Terjun Sungai Pandan. Can see a little bit of it. I hear creaks. No, cricket. He was a fast one. He disappeared. Where is he? Oh, it's beautiful. Oh. Finally we got here. It's nice. Some people have, I'm sure we can buy some food or drinks over here later on. That was maybe too early. Yeah, maybe it's open later.
Not waterfall, this is just a dam. I will go up here to the waterfall.
Yeah, you can see it up there. Maybe you can swim here. Yeah. Is that the swimming? Is this a swimming area maybe?
Yeah, hiking, trekking.
Oh, perfect for us. Soup hiking.
Not soup camping.
No soup camping. Soup hiking.
Yeah, you can see a little bit over there.
Is it for jumping?
No, old bridge, I think.
Yep. We put you down and see you over there. Can you see that spider? Maybe not.
You can see the beautiful water.
Yeah, look.
You go down or up to the...
I don't... Oh, we go to the bridge. It's a huge waterfall.
Yeah, finally.
It's slippery to walk here.
Yeah. They got the hanging bridge over here, and it's almost the same as Langkawi. Can't remember the name.
7 wells. 7 wells. Waterfall at Langkawi. Oh, so beautiful.
Only 7 per...
People swimming.
Picture?
Yes.
You want to be in?
Of course. And it's not me at the same time.
Beautiful picture to HDN. Looks nice.
Yeah.
Very, very nice. Maybe thumbnail.
I think so.
Going for the thumbnail. Can we see ourselves? Yes, we can.
Oh, it's really green. No, don't do that. That wasn't nice. I will go a little bit further. We have seen so many waterfalls in Thailand and here in Malaysia. We really love them. And we love the waterfalls by itself, of course, but it always has such a nice surroundings. It's always some kind of hiking area around the waterfall. Now we start.
Oh, go on.
We don't got any wellies on. It was too deep water. One nice waterfall we see was sticky waterfalls in Thailand.
Balance game.
I don't know where to walk here.
What's down here?
Be careful.
Yeah, it's slippery, so hold with both your hands. Thank you. And we go to the waterfall. And it's a little bit slippery here, everywhere. So be careful through here. Oh, the frog. Nice. Now we got the big, beautiful waterfall. Looks majestic. Yeah, look at this, guys. Oh my God. There's another thumbnail over here, I think. Like this? I don't know. Back to the bridge. Yeah, like that, maybe. Now we go back to the bridge and we go over there, and I think we can walk up.
Huh?
And not so many people.
So that's a windmill. So we can't walk over here?
Maybe we can, but I think it's easier to walk around. We can walk there, but
No, not over there.
have to take off our shoes, I think.
Yeah, I know. We can just walk over here. See you on the other side.
Yeah, we take the bridge back and we walk up there.
Area is very nice. But look at this. I slipped. I was a bit out of track and I slipped. And now we're looking for somewhere to go. Up here in the jungle.
Okay, they warning sound about 1,000-feeters and cobras.
And something in the middle.
Yeah, I cannot see that.
No.
So that's maybe why it's not allowed to trek here. But
Yeah.
it got me a little bit sad. I like that mushroom.
Yeah, it is a really big one. No,
It was nice walking here.
it's a really nice walking. But then we can't get up here anywhere.
Oh. It's not allowed. We have big signs, it's a warning signs everywhere.
Ah, it's stuck to me. Oh, this is. Oh.
She fell down and got some mud on herself. But here's, you can walk a little bit here. Where the waterfalls goes down, so it was beautiful as well. Nice green water. Now we can test the sound again because we forgot the muff again to the hairband to the camera. But it was nice. So maybe if you're lucky you can walk here for 1 kilometer, maybe 2. Got some restrooms, a beautiful little house. Let's go in here and explore. I like empty houses. No floors. Careful, guys, so you don't fall down. Oh, nice one. Beautiful. And I always wondering who lived here. Was this a working place? What is it? I like abandoned buildings, but it can get me a little bit sad as well. What happened here? But this one is beautiful. Well preserved, and it cannot be that old because of the blue colors. And look at that view, if you have a bedroom in here.
Is that one of those kinds, blood-sucking...
Snakes.
Yeah.
Leeches.
Leeches. I had a leech on me. Was it nice? You far up.
What?
High up. You are high up.
Yeah. And you're short. You're low down.
Yeah, it's a very nice area, but we cannot do any hiking.
No, I thought we were going for a jungle hike, but we cannot because it's forbidden. But we walk here by the water and it's beautiful. So maybe we have to walk home today again.
No, I don't do that then.
7.5 hours back home.
No, it was too hot.
We was here a Friday, and Friday is a closed day here in Malaysia. So this was closed, unfortunately. So we had to walk back home. So if
half the way home anyway.
No, more than half the way home. It was like 32 kilometers home, and we walked like 25. So we walked all the way to Kuantan from this waterfall. So if you haven't watched that video, please do.
Yeah,
and please,
we deserve that view.
Yeah, and please look at the long version. It's about 1.5 hours long video. So please watch that, guys. It would be nice to have a full view on the 1.5 hour video when we were eating, walking.
Meeting so many nice people.
Yeah, we went to a bazaar and the camera died, and oh, a nice day.
It's perfect day. Yeah, you see that sign here as well.
Yeah, but I like you get a shotgun in your back better than this one. This sign, you just get handcuffed. Some of the signs you get a shotgun in your back.
Here is you will survive.
Yeah. But maybe if the other side of the parking lot, we will go and watch there. And watch this down here.
There's so many grill spots.
Yeah.
Barbecue spots.
Yeah. Oh, I thought it was a big snake, but this was just dirt.
You see snakes everywhere then. And it's just rope,
It's
dirt.
just, yeah, it's imagination, because I want to see a snake. And down here, open now. Jiva Camp, open now. So if you like camping, go to Jiva Camping. It's open now. And they got experience for family and groups camping at Sungai Pandan Waterfall.
Is it camping or some more than glamping?
No, it's camping. It says so on the sign. It's not
I
glamping.
Like camping more than glamping.
Oh. Here is nice down here. I hope you can see the water. It's crystal clear water.
I have to wash up.
Oh. Jump in. And why do you have to wash up?
I have told them.
Oh, good.
That's my bad.
Yeah, well, it's slippery, so you have to be
So
careful.
slippery.
Yeah. And it happens, if you're outdoors and you walk, you will fall.
And guess what knee I was bumping into?
You have a bad knee, of course.
Of course, a bad knee.
Every time you have a sore something, you always hit that. If
Never
I have,
the other knee. Never the
if
other
my
thumb,
left
never the other
foot,
finger.
yeah, if my left foot hurts, I will hit my left foot. If my right foot hurts, I will hit my right foot.
Why? Why is that so?
No. And a lot of butterflies here in beautiful colors. I hope I can get one on tape, but I don't know. And here was nice as well. And here is Jiva Camp.
Maybe we can get something to eat here.
Yeah, maybe, if you're lucky.
Oh, so this is the camping spot.
Yeah,
Get your square.
yeah, you get your little foot. Hello.
You camping here?
No. Yes, a coffee shop there. I opened the coffee shop there. But
You
it's
open
only
now?
Open, no, it's only open on weekend.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So nothing open here now?
No, I don't think. Have you been there?
Yeah.
Is there any shop open?
No, I think it's closed.
Oh yeah.
Huh?
Because there's not so many people on weekdays, so they close, I think.
Yeah.
We was here in Friday.
Friday. Oh, you camping there?
No?
No,
Oh, you was here.
yeah, but it was closed Friday.
Yeah, they close every Friday.
Yeah.
We
We know now.
see that.
Yeah. So we had to walk. So we walked back to Kuantan.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, from here to Kuantan we walk.
Oh my God, very far.
Ah.
Yeah, it's very far.
Ah.
On Friday, I think it's raining.
No, not.
Raining?
No.
Because it's raining very
On the
heavy.
evening it was raining, but we were here morning time.
Morning. Oh, yeah.
So we have good weather to walk. And we were, yeah.
Yeah,
Lucky with
it
that.
is.
Yeah.
And yeah, we thought it could be some hiking, trekking around here, but everything is closed.
Yeah, because of the weather, I think. Because on Friday evening, it's raining very, very heavy.
Yeah.
So the water, all the water there is very big.
Okay.
So it gets flooded.
Beautiful waterfall and everything's closed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Sorry.
Have a great day.
Okay, you
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
going back to Kuantan walking?
No. Today we take a grab.
Okay.
I don't know we can because I don't
And
have it.
we hope we can get the grab. No cell phone service out here.
Yeah, until the gate there.
Yeah, you have to walk
Cell
out.
phone there.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Okay,
Thank you.
Bye. And here's a little store.
Yeah. So that's why.
Giva Mat. So if you're lucky, Giva Mat is open. You can get Coke, coffee, chips, sardines, mackerel. Oh, they got everything you need.
But so funny because we said, oh, we have such lucky because it was so heavy rain, and that was on the Thursday.
Yeah.
So we said, oh, so lucky, we have to see a really big, beautiful waterfall. And yes, we can. But we can't hike around it because it is so big and beautiful because of all the rain.
Oh, unlucky for us, she was closed. She was a super nice lady and she had a coffee shop, so...
I want to have a coffee there.
Yeah, I love to as well.
I think it's so busy here on the weekends.
Yeah. Someone I talked to in the city says it sometimes can be a queue here on the weekends as well. And big holidays because there's extremely much people here. So, but today we're lucky. No, almost no people here. It's like 20 people here.
Yeah, but everything is closed, so it's not so lucky.
No.
That's so beautiful anyway. And if it has not been so heavy rain, has it been so, maybe not, no water at all?
I don't know. You're the Pandan Saga Waterfall experts. I don't know what's the name it is. Not Pandan.
Yeah, Sungai Pandan.
Sungai Pandan Waterfall.
But it was very, very big and beautiful.
Yeah,
No,
we go to the parking lot and see if there's something we can walk about. Because now we have only walked like 1 kilometer. But before we got the grab, or what's the name? There were no grabs. So
Maxime.
the Maxime we used this time.
But maybe you have
I walked
to
for 5 kilometers before I got the Maxime car.
Yeah, but maybe we can walk a bit against the big road.
Yeah,
So we walk something anyway.
Yeah.
We got some
But
hiking.
maybe it's easier for the taxi to go in here.
No, I don't think so because we don't have any service.
So here's the parking lot here, guys. And we got some restaurants as well, but I think them all are closed. As she said, they're all closed. Yeah, but always on the weekends they are open.
Yeah, I can understand why. Because the people were swimming here now.
Yeah, we are only like 15.
Yeah, it has to be smoked on the weekends.
Oh, nice cool breeze here.
what the sign says?
It said Kuantan.
Meranti. What's Meranti?
Meranti.
Meranti Kuantan.
Meranti Kuantan. Maybe this is the area. But a lot of those signs in Malaysia, those big Hollywood signs, we have seen them all over Malaysia. The most crazy was Ipoh. Didn't we see like 5 or 10 of those Ipoh signs?
Everywhere.
Yeah. And here we
I
go.
love people.
Yeah. Meranti Kuantan. And here, no hikes, no nothing.
Nothing.
And here,
If it's a sign, and like this, and handcuffs and everything, you don't pass them.
no, but here is no shotgun in the back.
No,
On Langkawi, there were only shotguns in the back.
but maybe you.
when the guy was running.
Yeah, but here they don't need to shoot you in the back because you will be dead anyway.
Me soup, 6 ringgits. Great prices. Bihun soup, 5 ringgits.
That's good prices for being here.
Very, very good prices. And they got me soup, 5. Me curry, 5.
But you know what we can do?
No, I don't.
When we walk from here on Friday,
Yeah.
and then we bought the coconut.
Yeah.
There was some restaurants there.
Yeah, on other side of the road.
Shall we go there and have some lunch? And then call a grab?
Maybe we can.
Yeah. Because then we have walk for some kilometers anyway.
So we will go up to the waterfall and we will jump in, and so we say bye bye for now. Maybe we come back, maybe this is the end of the video, we don't know.
We have to see.
Yeah.
Maybe
Because if we stay and eat, maybe we do a separate video or we put that in here. We can see, we don't know. So, but thank you guys for watching. Is this the end? So we are very grateful that you watched. So please thumb up, follow Danana, and if you want the barbecue, put the stuff on here. You have to shout. It was cold and nice. Very cold and nice.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah.
Oh, it was so good in my legs.
Yeah, feels good. And we haven't swimmed in a waterfall since Langkawi.
That was last time.
Yeah.
And that's a really long time ago.
Yeah, 4 months ago.
Yeah, I'm cold now.
Yeah, nice. And now we stand here so we can heat up and dry up. Don't forget your bag, my dear. So we can dry a little bit so we can put our clothes back on. Can I walk over there? I will try. If I fall in, you guys will see that on tape. Oh, I could manage. Good for me. And here's a nice spot to dry up. They're coming? No. Because you're standing in the shade. Do we have a blooper? No, we don't.
No blooper here.
No. Not this time. Next time I will do a blooper.
Now, here we can dry up.
Yeah.
Perfect spot.
Should we get our shoes as well? Because I think we can walk up there. It's pretty easy.
Yeah.
Yeah. You talk to the camera and or maybe put out the camera.
We put them out and drying up.
They want Anna's one-man show. So you have to give the viewers what they want. And I will go to get our clothes and shoes.
I get the shoes.
Here.
One man show. Just for a little while. Because oh, I can see. The battery is running out. I have to change it. So we see you. You still there? Bye.
And we had to walk back again because they got no grab.
But I'm not walking all the way back to Kuantan today.
So no, today we're walking the full way back to the apartment. 7.5 hours of walking. No.
Walking a bit.
We walk to the big road. I think this small road is 3 kilometers. And we walk up the big road because we know there is a coconut place to buy drinks and some restaurants as well. So we will have our breakfast lunch out there. So,
something to eat, something to drink.
Yeah.
While we wait for
a grab.
some kind of transportation.
Yeah. So we will walk for approximately 5 or 6 kilometers, and then we were happy campers with this beautiful trip.
Yeah, here was nice to walk.
Yeah, here is not a cold breeze, but not in the sun. It's a little bit shade everywhere, and you hear the nice monkeys and birds in the wood and in the jungles here. So
we thought we heard maybe some monkeys before, but that was a bird. This is a monkey.
can the camera pick it up?
These are the cute monkeys.
Yeah, not the rat monkeys.
I love the sound.
Yeah, it's
Yeah, I'm a
soothing.
little bit hungry. So it's going to be good to get something to eat.
Yeah, me too. We were here very, very late.
Yeah.
So now I think it's around 12 as now. So this is our eating time.
I think so.
So we fast every day to 12 o'clock and now it's eating time. So
Soon we have to see them. It sounds so close.
yeah, if we're lucky, they're gonna haunt you. Hunt, I mean, not haunt.
But maybe both.
Maybe both. Haunt you in your dreams.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, he was afraid to us.
Of course. Yeah, here the monkeys are super afraid of humans.
Yep.
In other parts of Malaysia, or Southeast Asia, they are not so scared of humans. I saw he was jumping in here. You cannot see that. You can hear him. Are you up here? I can't see you, man. Yeah, now I see you.
You see him?
Yeah. Up there. Up in the sun. Oh. Wait. Huh. So now we walk to the main road and see you guys on the main road maybe. Yeah, eat here.
You any
2 waters.
plain water?
Yes. Ice. Yeah. Nice. Oh, curry chicken. Sweet and sour? Sweet and sour ayam. Yeah, perfect. And some carrot covers. Looking good. And no more. Go for that one. Fine. Yeah. Nasi putih I like. Oh. And one. Daging.
Sir, do you blogger?
YouTube.
YouTube.
Yeah.
Channel?
Dan Anna.
Dan Anna.
My name is Dan, my wife Anna. One word. Dan, D-A-N, A-N-N-A.
Where do you come from?
Sweden.
Sweden.
Yeah. And that one I want.
One.
Oh.
This nasi lemak.
Yeah, with that one. Is that okay?
Okay.
Yeah, perfect.
Itu ayam.
Ayam. Sweet and sour ayam?
Spicy.
Spicy, perfect. Perfect. Oh, one egg there. Telur.
Hello.
Telur. Oh, perfect. Done.
I found it.
Ah, nice. Thank you. Terima kasih.
Sama-sama.
Where's the fan? It's piping hot. Oh. Oh. Perfect. Thank you, sir. Thank you. You have a cutlery?
Yes. Yeah.
Oh. It's piping hot. Walking from a waterfall.
From Waterfall?
Yeah, walking. Don't grab. Don't trip. No. So here we check the phone grab. What a beautiful place we found. And ice, and then I got coconut, I think. Oh my god. Ugh. And I will go for the manual show. I got with a daging, nasi putih, telur, and I got nasi lemak with ayam. So we hope the sambal is spicy. Over there, put over here, and I will try. Mix, mix, mix.
After this, where we want to go?
We walk home. Oh,
Hotel or
Timur Bay.
Timur Bay.
Yeah. So we live at Timur Bay. So a little bit far. But the daging was super sedap.
Thank you.
Mm. What's the place name?
Pelda Sungai Pancing Timur.
Yeah. But your restaurant name?
Restaurant name?
Eller restaurant or warung?
Warung.
Warung. Ah. What's the name?
Sarapan pagi, lauk tengah hari. Kat saya.
I will film the name. Here's the name. And I did go for the nasi lemak. And nasi daging. Long tongue. Oh, nasi karabu as well. Nice.
From here to Timor Bay, it's a long walk. For you.
Yeah. But we will try to get the grab from here.
I think you maybe can.
Yeah. We hope so. And I will put the camera out so Anna come back. No, she's coming now.
And I ready come?
The star of the show.
I got them.
Yeah. The
Yeah.
same lovely lady at work today.
Yes. She's so kind.
Oh.
He's from Thailand.
Oh.
Ah.
You speak Thai?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, I got some sambal, I see.
Nasi lemak.
Yeah.
You order the nasi lemak.
Yeah. Sugar in that one. Big difference.
Okay. Which one is mine? The sugary.
That one.
How will I manage to have this here?
I think we have to.
Hang it up.
Oh my God. I was so thirsty. I don't know where.
Oh, here.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Here we have this one. Oh, terima kasih.
Sama-sama.
Oh, that's how they do it. And
perfect.
water, plain water.
Yeah, this was super good.
What did you take?
I take dagang and just
Oh,
nasi putih and telur.
oh my! It was cold water.
Nice.
So I have some.
You got
Nasi lemak.
Yeah. Nasi lemak.
Mix.
And now you got homemade sambal. Must be.
Okay.
Yeah, you must have homemade sambal here. Good.
I can't finish.
Who's the chef?
My mom.
Mom. Okay.
Oh, she's the best one. Sedap. Sedap as well.
The das.
No.
Okay.
Good. Can do the chicken. Good.
How much was the coconut? 3 ringgits.
Yeah.
Perfect. Put the camera out, Anita. And when we sum up, we want to talk to your loyal followers.
Now I'm too hungry. It's too thirsty.
Yeah. But was it a good nasi lemak?
Yeah.
The sambal?
Yeah. I don't need the sambal. Spicy. Good.
Take some sambal.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Better than banyuts? I
Of
think
course,
so.
it's better than one.
Nice.
You're here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We got food all over your mouth. Look at that. Yeah. We'll be back to sum up, guys. So bye-bye for now.
My nasi lemak is over. I got the bones and the sambal. And I got myself takaya.
Tataya or kakaya?
Something with sugar in it.
Good when we walk.
Yeah. Oh, look at that.
Coconut and brown sugar inside. Good. I need one myself. I think so.
I like them.
Yeah. A little bit
Well,
sweet.
huh?
Not super sweet.
Mom does this too? No?
My friend. My mom's friend.
No.
Good.
No, I like them. You like them?
Yeah. Oh, decent.
Yeah. I'm sticky. I'm really sticky. Get one more.
Yeah. This was good.
It's nothing to save. These small pieces.
Yeah. And hot outside.
No, and when you have opened this box, you can't close it anymore. And then the fire will be destroyed. So you have to finish them.
They get bad if they lay around too long.
So bad, they got bad if you don't finish this one in 10 minutes. Not good. Try. Try off it. I can. I'm sticky.
Yeah, and we will be back when we all pay. We're gonna sit here and drink our drinks up. Nice coconut and water. We'll be back. Look at this nice place. Lovely Varung restaurant. And here is making the rice, making all the food, and of course a lovely motorbike. And there they do all the dishes. Yeah. And cooking as well.
Yes.
Cooking place. Yeah.
This for cooking place.
Yeah, perfect.
For stock only.
Yeah. Looks super nice. Thank you. Thank you.
And baby.
Your baby?
Yeah, my child.
Oh, very cute.
3 months.
Yeah, small baby. A baby. 3 months old baby.
No.
Ah. He's a dad. And the food was only, I will turn around so we can see. Guess what the food was? It was only 12 ringgits. And the coconuts were 3 ringgits a piece. So super great price, super nice place. If you're in the neighborhood, yes, go here, eat, try the food. You got the nasi lemak, you love it.
Really good.
A little bit sweaty, but good. And we will go for try to get a grab. D-A-N-A-N-N-A. Yeah.
Jalan daripada Aidit je jalan. Dari Aidit tu jalan.
So see you when the grabs arrive. Oh no, we say bye bye to this video, I think. Or maybe 2 videos, we don't know.
We don't know. We never know.
No. But a lovely kitchen.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
A big
it's
kitchen, a storage area, and a nice restaurant place to cook up some food.
Yeah, good.
See you.
Balu.